My name is Myra. I work at the Jeff Davis Parish Library, the Jennings branch, and this is my daughter,
Molly.
Today we're going to cook crawfish étouffée. And I know there's so many ways to make it, but this is how we make it in our home. So,
Let's begin.
you need around 2 cups of onions, a half cup of green onions. I put a whole bell pepper, 4 garlic cloves, fresh parsley, about a half a cup, just a little bit less. Mushrooms, it says a half a cup, I put a full cup. A half a cup of tomato sauce, a whole stick of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 cups of water, and 2 pounds of crawfish. And you can also make this with shrimp, and I use Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning.
Right here we're chopping our onions very finely and putting it in a bowl. This is where our bell peppers will also go, which is in this clip. This is our bell peppers, and we're making sure that's all chopped nicely and everything, and putting it in the same bowl as the onions. Now we're doing the green onions and parsley, which will be in a separate bowl because it will be added later.
At the end, yes. Closer to the end of cooking. So that's your green onions and your parsley.
Yep, and we also use
There's
fresh
the parsley. Yes, makes a lot of difference.
And our garlic, which will be put in the same bowl as our onions and bell peppers. We just put the clip a little bit late. I'm sorry about that. And now mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
And you're gonna melt some nice butter right there. And you're gonna add all your
seasonings.
Yep.
And then you're going to cook them down until they're clear. Now, after they're clear, this is where you put the flour. We forgot that in the clip.
And now you
then
put
the crawfish or shrimp, whichever you prefer.
And after that's cooked down a little bit, you're going to add those tomato sauce. And make sure you get all that in there. Don't want to leave a drop.
Stir that up.
Yeah,
cook it down. You're going to get a little mushrooms there.
Yeah, little mushrooms.
Stir that up. It's going to get a really beautiful color. As much seasoning as you like.
Yeah, whatever seasoning too. And a nice little dance break for you all.
Then you're going to cook that. You're going to bring it. You're going to put your water in. You're going to bring that to the boil.
And then simmer
for 30 minutes after you put all these ingredients, and you simmer it for 30 minutes. And then voila.
You are done. I hope you guys enjoy.
Bake it and sink it.